Dear students, Namaste. I am Subodh Kamble from SBNM College of D Pharmacy, Mahad. In this video tutorial, I will discuss about the principles of nomenclature of organic compound. Before starting this tutorial, I wish to acknowledge my sincere gratitude to Mr. Sambhaji Bhosle sir. I am so grateful that you were my teacher and I always remember attending your class and you are the best teacher. I also acknowledge the reference of the textbook of organic chemistry by Arun Bhar and B.S. Bhar. After watching this video, the students will be able to explain the history of naming of organic compounds and describe the principles of IUPAC system of nomenclature. In early days, the organic chemistry, each new organic compound was given an individual name. Such a name based on source, some property and some other trivial reasons. For example, formic acid. The formic acid was named as it was obtained by distillation of red ants. And in Latin, the formica means ants. And another example is of barbiturates, that is a group of sedatives are named after the name of woman Barbara. The structure of many of these compounds was not known at that time. So, an ordinary name given to a compound without reference to its structure is called a common name or travel name. The common names are like nicknames. Now, the IUPAC system of nomenclature. With the rapid growth of organic chemistry, the number of compounds of organic compounds increased fantastically. And now there are more than 6 million organic compounds present. So it became impossible to give a common name to each compound. In 1957, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry evolved a scheme for giving systematic names to organic compounds on the basis of structure of organic compound. This system is known as IUPAC system of nomenclature and it is pronounced as IUPAC. The system has set rules for naming organic molecules from their structure. However, the common names of first members of homologous series have been retained in IUPAC system. What is homologous series? The homologous series is a series of compounds in which the adjacent members differ by a CH2 unit and the individual member are called as homologs. For example, the homologous series of alcohols can be represented by general formula ROH or CN S2N plus 1 OH. In this, the N is the number of carbon atoms present, R is the hydrocarbon. Now, see the example of ethyl alcohol. In this, the number of carbon atoms are 2 and The number of hydrogen atoms can be calculated by 2n plus 1. That is, there are 5 hydrogen atoms will be available in this, and OH group is attached to it. That is C2H5OH. When you observe each next member of this series is differed by CH2 unit. In methyl, there is no CH2 unit. In ethyl, it contains CH2 unit, one CH2 unit. In propyl, it contains two CH2 unit, and in butyl group, they contain three CH2 units. In organic compounds, the naming to organic compound is essential skill, and you must be able to give the correct names to the structures, or they derive the correct structure from a name of organic compound. What is IUPAC name? So the systematic name of a compound derived from its structural formula by applying IUPAC rules is referred to as IUPAC name. The one organic compound have only one IUPAC name, and it is superior to common name, as the name gives insight to the structure of molecule, and the knowing the IUPAC name of a compound, we can write its structural formula. Remember that the common names identify compounds while IUPAC names represents the structure of compound. Thanks for watching this video. Your comments, suggestions for improvement are welcome. Please do subscribe to YouTube channel for more videos.